Okay, hi everyone. Okay, let's continue the discussion of your homework. So take out your homework you did previously. Okay, the first question, complete the table which team won. Okay, this is the time recorded for treasure hunt competition. So there are two teams here, Ibnu Sina and Ibnu Khaldun. Okay, they have two challenges and then you need to find their total time. So you see the word total here, you have to plus. So challenge A plus challenge B. So let's look at Ibnu Sina first. So 1 and 6 hours plus 2 1/3 hours. So the first thing is you make the denominator the same first. Okay, nombor bawah kita samakan dulu. So we can change 3 to 6. They are in a sphere 3. Okay, so 3 times 2, 1 also times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, round number and round number you can plus, 1 plus 2 is 3. The denominator remains 6, sama saja. 1 and 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this one you can simplify. They are sphere 3, so you can divide 3. The round number remains 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So Ibnu Sina used 3.5 hours for the challenges. Okay, what about Ibnu Khaldun? So again, we plus them to find the total time. Okay, make the denominator the same first. So they are not in the same sphere, so we can times each other. That means 3 times 5 and then 5 times 3. So 3 you will times 5. Top and bottom are the same. 5 you have to times 3. Top and bottom the same. Okay, so 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. And then for this one is 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, then you add them up. 1 plus 2 is 3. 15 remains. 10 plus 12 is 22. Okay, if you see here, we have a improper fraction first here. Okay, so we need to change the improper fraction. Okay, 3 remains. Now this 22 over 15, we change to proper fraction. So 22 divided by 15. Well, 1 times 15 is 15, balance is 7. So clockwise 1 first, and then we go down to 7, and then we go to 15. So 1 first, and then 7, and then 15. So the answer is 3 plus 1 is 4, right? 7 over 15 remains. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then this one 7 over 15 remains. Okay, now which team won? Now if you have participated in a competition before, you need to log the shortest time or the longest time. You have to be as fast as possible, right? This is treasure hunt. So your time should be as short as possible. So obviously the winning team is Ibnu Sina, because you only use 3.5 hours. This one, they use more than 4 hours. Okay. Okay, number 2. Pauline gets 6 ringgit for her pocket money every day. She spends 2/3 of the money. The balance is saved. How much money does she spend every day. Okay, so this one you need to find the amount, okay, how much she spends. So the question tells us she spent 2/3 out of the 6 ringgit pocket money. So you take 2/3 times the 6 ringgit pocket money. So this one is CFA 3, so you divide 3. 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3. 2 times 2 is 4. So she spent 4 ringgit every day. Question B. Does her savings exceed 8 ringgit after 5 days? Okay, the question tells us the balance is safe. Her pocket money is 6 ringgit. She spends only 4 ringgit. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So every day she saves 2 ringgit. So does her savings exceed 8 ringgit after 5 days? If 1 day is 2 ringgit, 5 days is 10. So the answer is yes, her savings exceeds 8 ringgit. Exceed means melebihi, more than. Okay, exceed means more than 8 ringgit. So the answer is yes, because she saves 10 ringgit. Okay, question 3. Goes to school every day. Gambit was absent on Thursday. Total up the distance they both travel in a day. So the keyword total up, that means you have to plus in 1 day. So Gambit's house is here, Going's house is here. Okay, so let's find Gambit's house distance to the school first. So over here is 0.7, okay, and then to school 2.3 km, and over here 0.52 km. So yeah, there are 3 roads here. The first one 0.7, the second one 2.3, the third one 0.52. So you take 0.7 plus 2.3 plus 0.52. Okay, so plus should be here. And then remember to write your km, km. Okay, your answer also should be in km. Okay, so remember how you should arrange your decimal places. So all here is, this row is 1 decimal place. The second row is 2 decimal places. So 2, nothing plus 2 is 2 lah, huh? 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Write 1 here. Remember your decimal point. 1 plus 2 is 3. So Gambit's house to the school is 3.52 km. Okay, what about Going's house? Okay, over here is 2.2 km, and then it crosses the road here 0.4, and then to the school 0.52. So 2.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.52 plus here. Okay, remember to write your km. So nothing plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 plus 2 is 3, and then your unit km. So now you total up. So 3.52 plus 3.12. Okay, 3.52 plus 3.12. Okay, remember your unit. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So total is 6.64 km. Okay, for question B, calculate the difference. Okay, you see the word difference is perbezaan. That means you have to minus. In distance traveled by Going and Gambit for that week. The earlier statement tells us that Gambit was absent on Thursday. So you have to minus 1 day. So we go to school from Monday until Friday, 5 days. But for Gambit, he was absent on Thursday, so you minus 1 day. So for Gambit, you only times 4. So Gambit's distance was 3.52, so you times 4. And then Going's distance was 3.12, so you times 5 because he goes to school for 5 days. So 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 3, 12. Plus 2, 14. And then your decimal point, 2 decimal places, follow this one. Okay, for Going, 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 1, 5. Plus 1 is 6. 5 times 3, 15. 2 decimal places, km. So find the difference. You take the bigger number 15.6 minus smaller number 14.08. Write your unit. Okay, there's nothing here, so we can add 0. 0 cannot minus 8, so we plus 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 decimal places, your point. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the difference is 1.52 km. Okay, question 4. There are 3 different people here. They get different marks for different quizzes. Who has the highest percentage? Okay, we want to find the percentage. So Kevin gets 48 out of 60. So 48, you put on top. The total marks 60, you put at the bottom. To find the percentage, you times 100%. Okay, then you simplify it, cross the 0. This one divided by 2 is 3, divided by 2 is 5. Top and bottom you can simplify. This one divide 3. Divide 3 is 16. 16 times 5 you get 80. Okay, so Kevin gets 80 marks. Okay, Dina 24 out of 32. So 24 you put on top, 32 you put at the bottom, times the percentage 100%. We always times 100%. That's the full percentage. Okay, simplify the number top and bottom. They are in Cephere. Top and bottom they are in Cephere. 8. So divided by 8 is 3, divided by 8 is 4. 4 and 100 you can simplify also. Divided by 4 you get 1, divided by 4 you get 25. 3 times 25 is 75%. This is your Cephere 25. Okay, last one. Prem gets 81 out of 90. Okay, 81 you put on top, 90 you put at the bottom, times the percentage, always 100%. Okay, 81 and 90 they are in Cephere. 9. Okay, so we can divide 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 10 and 100 you can simplify also. Cross 1 0. So 9 times 10 is 90. So who gets the highest percentage? This is 75, this is 80, this is 90. So Prem Singh gets the highest percentage. Okay. So that's all for the discussion. Okay, for your holidays activity, okay, you can do this crossword puzzle. Okay, this is on page, this is on page 102. Okay, so you follow the instruction here. This across means horizontally. Down means vertically. So A across is over here, so you write your answer here. B across is over here, you write your answer here. And if you're doing down, A down is over here, so you answer here. And D down is over here, so you solve the exercises and then you write the answers in the crossword puzzle. Okay, so a little bit of activity for your holidays, so have fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!